Here's another word that we will try separating in a couple different ways. The first thing we always do is, that's right, find the vowel letters. So in this word, we see E, A, and I. Next, what's one way we can separate between this E and A? Let's do it before the consonant F. Okay, now we look at the next two vowel letters, A and I, and we can do it, again, let's do it before the consonant. So in this word, the first syllable is R-E, the second syllable is F-A, and the last syllable is M-I-N-G. Let's see what that word makes. In this syllable, we have an open because it's a vowel letter. So it says re, long vowel sound, re. In the second syllable, we have another open syllable. So it will say the long vowel A, fe. And then in the last syllable, we have a closed syllable, which means it says ming. Re, fe, ming. Refaming.